Training for a marathon requires a combination of physical and mental preparation, as well as a long-term commitment to a training plan. Here are the steps you can follow to train for a marathon in detail. Set a goal and choose a training plan. Before starting your marathon training, set a realistic goal for yourself. This could be finishing the race, beating a personal record, or qualifying for another race. Then, choose a training plan that suits your current fitness level, goals, and schedule. Build your base. Start by building your aerobic fitness with easy runs and gradually increasing your mileage. Aim for at least 3 to 4 runs per week, including a long run, tempo run, and speed workout. Increase mileage. As you progress in your training, gradually increase your weekly mileage by no more than 10% per week. This will help you build endurance and avoid injury. Incorporate cross-training. Cross-training activities such as cycling, swimming, or strength training can help improve your overall fitness and reduce the risk of injury. Fuel your body. Proper nutrition is essential for marathon training. Make sure you are eating a balanced diet with plenty of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats to fuel your workouts and aid in recovery. Practice hydration. Staying hydrated is also crucial for marathon training. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and during your runs, especially on long runs. Rest and recover. Rest days and recovery are just as important as training days. Make sure you give your body time to recover and prevent injury by getting enough sleep, stretching, and foam rolling. Simulate race conditions. As you near race day, practice running in similar conditions as the race, such as terrain, weather, and time of day, to prepare yourself mentally and physically. Taper. In the weeks leading up to the race, gradually decrease your mileage and intensity to allow your body to fully recover and be ready for the race. Remember that marathon training requires discipline, patience, and dedication. Stick to your plan, stay motivated, and trust the process. Good luck.